fuck, it's early. Off to get fucking Maxy. We in the Hemi. We in the Hemi. Dodge is up, bro. Got the grapevine up there. Gotta go over that big bastard. Got the California sunrise out there. Alright, where are you? I got you back, dude. Look. Woo! It's a Hemi, bro.
Dude, this thing is sick.
It's a fucking Hemi, dude.
Holy shit. You got a Hemi in here?
Yes, dude.
Dude, what in the fucking...
That's how I got here so quick, dude.
Shout out DIMExBAG. For DIMExBAG.
This motherfucker walks all the way over here streaming, doesn't even grab his shit. Now he's coming back. And he, Jesus. Yeah. I told you, bro. I told him, give me something fucking better, dude. Oh. I don't know how to work shit. Hold on. There. Just throw it back there, dude. I bring too much shit every time,
Dude,
bro.
You gotta quit being a little bitch. You gotta buy one of these.
Dude, this fucking thing's 75,000 bucks.
Alright.
Alright. We're going to get his goddamn money with Tuono. Thinks he's cool. Look at him. He ain't got no mask on. Oh, now he does. There it is. The underoos. Let me turn it off. These guys are good.
He's got artillery. I don't feel good.
I'm not supposed to do a lot of things, bro. It's damn, look at that shit.
There's a floppy. This is a Tuono. Let's turn paper into a Tuono.
Are we, we're going, we have like 3 hours till, don't we?
What time is it? Yeah, let's go get some food.
All right.
Can we do that? All right, it's Maxy here. It's Maxy. We're recording. It's DIMEbizzle. Make sure you subscribe to DIMExBAG. He's putting this in the video, right? Will you put this in the video? All right. So we're going to get the bike.
Yes, sir.
Straight cash money. I'm pretty excited. I feel like I'm rich, even though I'm not. This is just gonna be turned into a motorcycle, so.
All right.
Whatever. Should be fun.
Go to the gas station.
Show you worth. It's $9,500. The guy's asking $9,300, so I'm gonna offer him $9,500 and see what he says. Show you worth. It's $9,500. The guy's asking $9,300, so I'm gonna offer him $9,500 and see what he says. All right.
Why do I keep doing that? I got it to work, bro. What are you putting on there, bro?
Airbag. I don't know if I should put this over or under my airbag. Probably over.
Put what? Your satchel?
So, Corey, what should I say to this guy? Just be like, bro, I'd be like, honestly, I thought it was in better condition.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'd be so dirty. I mean, great. I love the tires. I put brand new tires on, but it looks like the brake fluid's old. It's just black. It's supposed to be clear. It's just plastic. I got to put brake flush on it. You know you're gonna have to.
Hey, and then tell him you got to do it before the ride back, because you ain't gonna ride on fucked up brake So say that's another day I gotta stay here to get that done now too.
Really?
Right? Yeah, why not? You know what I mean?
I really don't want to bullshit him. I just give him the money and go.
I would at least try for 89.
Bullshit him.
I said, man, I just came all the way from Utah. You haven't reached out to me. You told me it was gonna be done. It's done, don't get me wrong, but the brakes on it are bad. It looks like the food looks bad.
Maxy just picked up his new Tuono, and we are riding it to go pick up the pegs from the guy. Apparently he didn't bring everything, but it is legit. Got him from 95 down to 7,700 on it too, so. Oh my God, dude, I got the fucking Bee Gees playing. Great. Oh my God. Thank you. Dude, it sucks. Oh my God, dude. There he goes. Oh shit, did they turn? Dude, car, go! Fuck! Come on, car, fucking go, dude. Oh, you and I caught up. I feel like I'm gonna run over someone's fucking dog. So we got Corey GSX-R 600 on the left, on the GSX-R 600, and then we got Maxy at Max Rich Gold on his brand new 2016 Aprilia Tuono. Tuono? I don't know how to say it, whatever. It's his dream bike. Finally has it. Got him down to 7,700 from 95. I think it was 95. Oh shit, I don't know if this is gonna work, dude. Oh wow. Okay, so.
Hello? Hello.
Alright.
7,700 Tuono. What you know about that?
From what?
93.
No, I thought it was 95, bro.
No, I just pull out 95 because I like cash. But anyway, I think we got to go to a Walmart or something.
Why?
Somewhere so I can live stream.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna follow you guys. I turned around because I won't be able to do it anymore.
Those cameras on the S20 will eat your fucking
Nah,
S10's ass.
never. I'm gonna have to see that.
What's a
to
goo
believe
gun
it.
though?
I'm gonna have to
On
see
the
it
real.
to believe it.
Goo gun?
Not a hot, nah, Gavin.
What's a
Not a
goo
hot
gun?
glue gun.
Ghostyy has the key to the goo gun.
The key to the
The
goo
key
gun,
to
bro?
the goo gun? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Goo gun will work. Whatever that shit is. Goof off.
Whose bike is this? Whose bike is this? Whose bike is this?
It's definitely my bike. I fucking definitely.
Dude.
This to that.
This is,
Well, sorry, whatever.
I like it, bro.
Yeah, goo gun.
It
really-
looks
I hope the cam chain doesn't snap and just shoot into the fucking engine.
fuck a cam chain.
How do you
dude.
know it's that? How have you ever dealt with that? You dealt with that before?
Cam chains?
Yeah.
I have.
Like
On an
that's a
Aprilia?
very specific thing. So
I have
you,
not done it on an Aprilia.
you should know that feeling if you think you know it from. That's a very specific feeling.
As long as you still get on it and fucking jam.
Yeah, bro, this is a fucking
Jam, bam.
expensive bike. I don't want to have to fucking.
Well, it's not that expensive.
I'm not trying to.
It's not a fucking
I ain't
2020 S1K.
trying to fuck up your bike. Does the cam not have a self-adjusting plunger? Lefty said.
It's got a hydraulic cam chain tensioner.
Hydraulic cam chain tension. Is it making noises by the cover slapping? You would know that.
Listen.
Dude, I didn't film that much, did I? So we're going matte black. Matte black.
The only
Fuck
that'll stay
yeah,
shiny
dude.
will be the tank.
Yeah. It's
That's
alright.
it.
It's alright. Dude. I seen that video you putting this pipe on, bro.
Dude, no, I've been
They don't get mad you work under there in the parking areas and stuff?
No, they're pretty chill.
Really? I couldn't do shit in parking areas, bro.
Don't really care.
Really?
My neighbor just has 2 bikes too. He does all kinds. He has a Super Duke that
This
he's putting
guy
an
rips
engine
it. This guy rips it. I'm surprised it's not full leather today. Suited and booted.
in. No, too hot over here.
I know, dude. It's already 90 degrees. Just getting that
I
road.
felt it halfway here, just riding. I'm like,
You get from that cold, you feel the heat just grinds getting
Yeah.
warmer and warmer, and you're like, oh my god.
no, I want to be
That's cool, bro.
So I'll just fucking buy a whole new hub. I mean, I'm ready to replace it. Or you can make it a nice easy weld so someone can play Dremel through it.
Look, this is what we'll do. This is what I thought you were talking about.
Okay. Here's the thing, dude.
Holy shit.
Is can these spin on the other side or are they solid? This actual hex. Does it have to be rotated a certain way for it to lock into the hub?
No, it just slides in.
Okay, and it just torques this way on it. Like
Yeah,
if these
yeah.
slide in, it just holds. Holds slide in.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
never mind.
Wait, is this
Because I was
two pieces,
asking.
though?
No, it's, are you sure?
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's like an 8. It's an Allen wrench. That's
Don't
what
you
use.
think that this would be?
Yeah, Ghostyy thought we were gonna sleep in, and he just stuck us in a hot box like a fucking, like a motherfucker. Ghostyy, were you trying to kill us? Ghostyy, also, if you're watching this, I pissed in the shower because we couldn't figure out how to flush it. God bless America, land that I love. Dime Bizzle, Dime Bizzle.